worry, yours doesn't have to look like that, but we do want to help you set the stage at your home. Because we have designed this at-home event to fit your family. And not every family looks the same, so not every celebration will look the same. So here are some tips to make your family's Passover event perfect just for you.
We want to make sure that you have a nice, comfy spot so that everyone is comfortable.
I'm ready. Are we starting? Come on!
We also want to make sure that you have a nice flat surface for your matzah and your juice. And also make sure you have a good internet connection so that you don't have any issues while you're watching the video.
If your family has a smart TV or a smart device, you're going to be able to watch it on the big screen. You can even pop some popcorn if you want. But you'll be able to log in to our YouTube channel. Now, this is not the Victory Highway YouTube channel. This is the V Kids Family channel, our new YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed yet, you're going to see a little button up in the corner that says subscribe. You definitely want to do that so that you get updates on new videos we're putting out, and you'll be notified when our live premiere starts. Because while this video will continue to be available throughout the whole Thanksgiving week and beyond, we're having a live premiere Sunday, November 22nd at 4 p.m. so that we can all watch together even though we're in our own separate living rooms. So we're going to look forward to seeing you subscribe so that we can meet with you Sunday the 22nd at 4 p.m. And if you're watching on the big screen, you may want to set up a second device so that you can follow us along in the chat. We're looking forward to talking with you as we do the event together.
If you registered for the event and picked up your event kit, you already have everything you need to do this event at home. Now, if you have a family larger than 6, you may need to pick up a few extra things, but you're all set. So, you may ahead of time want to unpack your bag and set everything out so that you don't waste any time during the event itself. You have inside the bag a roll list as well as roll stickers. You can set those out. You may want to read over the list and just start thinking about who might suit each roll. You will have time during the event to pass out the stickers and give everyone their assignments. You're also going to want to set out your juice, your cups. This is something you'll need more of if you have more than 6 people in your family. And very carefully unwrap your matzah. You'll also find inside a recipe card and a list of questions. Set these aside for the end. You're not going to want to lose them, but you won't need them right away. You're also going to find your Lego instruction booklet, a bag of all the Lego pieces, a Lego baseboard, and some nail polish. You may want to flatten the bag and set all of these on top, or find another paper or hard surface so that that nail polish doesn't go everywhere. You're also just going to find this picture of a family performing a Passover ritual. You can pass this around to the kids and just talk about what they think this meant before we learn about it all together on the event. Once you have everything set up, you're good to go. Now, if you do not have an event kit, you can find everything you need online, at home, or in the store. So go through the list. You can find the roll list, the recipe card, the picture, the questions, and the Lego instructions in a Google Drive that we're going to have the link below in the description. You will need to collect or buy juice, cups, matzah or crackers, Legos, and nail polish if you don't have an event kit at home.
The rest is up to you. You know your family best, whether you need to have like a Bible handy for your active reader, or a sketch pad for the artist in your family, maybe a fidget spinner for, your person like Pastor Fancy or an extra cushion for your tired feet, cup of coffee. You will make this event special by how you bring it home to your family. And once you've got the stage set there at your home, you might want to dim the lights, get ready for our countdown timer, because we can't wait to see you there.